Good morning, everybody. Just to kind of give you a little bit of background, the Housing Affordability Fund started back in 2002, and the reason was obviously that we were having this gaping divide between affordability and people's incomes to be able to purchase affordable homes, their first-time homes. With the change in the market dynamics, we were always looking to evolve our programs to really meet the need of your clients. And so what we did about 2 years ago was we came out with the Mortgage Protection Program. I don't know how many of you might have been familiar with that. But what we do is we take our realtor donated dollars that, and your association has been phenomenal to, in terms of your level of support to the Housing Affordability Fund. We've taken those dollars and turned them into programs that are going to be relevant for you out in the field so that you can provide your clients something tangible that they know that they got because they used a California realtor. And I think that's key. One of the things following the success of the Mortgage Protection Program that we were looking at is we've constantly seen the continued increases, and being from Southern California, we have been metered for some time, so we've been paying the price. And not all of us maintain our properties like the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, but you know, we recognize that there's ongoing costs associated with monthly utility bills for homeowners, whether they're first time or not. And so one of the things that we wanted to create was looking ahead and looking, frankly, at the legislature and others' possible mandates. We were trying to stave that off, so what we wanted to do was offer a voluntary solution, because we always say voluntary is better than mandatory. And so we have partnered and engaged agencies in the state level, as well as collaborating very closely with the Sacramento Association to develop the Realtors Energy Audit Program, which is the REAP program. So the REAP program is a $250 rebate that is available for realtor clients who conduct a HERS energy audit on their home. What is a HERS energy audit? It's basically an audit that is conducted by a certified HERS rater, home energy rating specialist, and it is done, as mentioned earlier, as part of the energy efficient mortgage. One difference between our program is it doesn't have to be utilized exclusively by someone who is taking advantage of an energy efficient mortgage. We've also made it available for those folks that are not taking advantage of an EEM. They have the option of having a HERS rating conducted on the property after the close of escrow. Now, we don't have an infinite timeline here, and we wanted to make sure that people were taking advantage of these things, so we have a 60-day window after the close where we encourage people to go get a HERS rating after the close, and so that the consumer could identify opportunities to make these home improvements that would in turn help them prioritize maybe what improvements they want to finance. There's a slew of rebates out there, folks, and the reality is, with all the money that's out there, there is not high utilization rates. I will tell you, having looked at everything statewide, the Sacramento area, I mean, we've actually received most of our applications for the REAP program from the Sacramento area. That's where a large majority of our applicants come from. But in addition to that, in terms of the user rates for all the other rebate programs that are available out there that are being offered by the municipal utility districts, you know, the gas companies, they're really all coming from Northern California. And, you know, but it's still not enough. There's still a lot of money available out there for consumers to take advantage of. They're just not doing it. And so to the extent that you can let your buyers know that these are available, it's a great opportunity. It's free money. So take it. So the other qualifying criteria is they have to use a California realtor in their transaction, and it needs to be their primary single-family residence. So this is what a HERS True rating looks like. The report basically gives the information as to if certain improvements were made, what would the energy savings look like. And so this is a sample of the rating certificate that they'll receive at the conclusion of the HERS rating. And here again is just what is a HERS rater. They are certified by there's two certifying agencies, but one in particular, CalCerts is the primary certifying agency right now. And if you go to the CAR-HAF website, carhaf.org, we do have a link of all the raters as well as all the other programs that are available for you to take advantage of. The California Energy Commission really has kind of helped to, be kind of the single portal, providing all the information of the different rebates that are available statewide, so people can very simply just click on their county, whatever, and it'll list all the different rebates that are available for that area. So we want to make sure that people really take advantage of that feature. So Energy Upgrade California, again, this is part of the California Energy Commission's larger outreach effort to help consolidate. Instead of everyone saying, okay, well, I'm going to go to SMUD or I'm going to go here, it's a single portal that lists all the different programs that are available statewide. So whether you're in Lincoln, whether you're in Sacramento, it doesn't matter where you're at, you pull in your city, your county, and it'll list all the different resources that are, all the different rebates that are available for you or your clients. There's just a lot of money out there, folks, and so it's your one-stop source resource for information, consumer information, finding contractors, and all the financing and incentives that are available. So just the website is listed right there, Energy Upgrade California, and just to kind of speak to the idea that collaboration is really beneficial in terms of realtor legislative activities. I want to let you know that there was one particular agency that we partnered with, Build It Green, that had previously maybe had taken positions that, were comfortable with point of sale. As a result of our collaboration and working together and getting them to understand our position, they've now retracted that. And so it's very powerful. So, it's again another example that if we collaborate with other agencies, we can help to avoid a lot of challenges in our future legislatively, and that's what we're all about. We want to make things easier for all of us. So the application for the REAP program is available at the CARHAF website, carhaf.org. My email address is there. I want to also let you know that we have created a one-hour webinar that is going to be held on August 9th, and I will send the link for SAR so that to be posted maybe on the website. It's called PITI plus E, the new cost of home ownership. And so it's just trying to get everybody, it'll give you a very comprehensive overview and for as much as we can for 1 hour to give you a full coverage of all the different programs that are available, how to utilize them, how to educate your clients, and what this all is. This wasn't our Birkenstock wearing, granola eating moment. This is something that we really wanted to, be proactive about, and we want to see this be wildly successful. And I thank you very much because your association has been a tremendous supporter and has enabled much of the success to date. So unless there's any questions, thank you very much, and please take advantage of REAP.